Hello all, welcome to Amara. Today we are going to make two necklaces using dolki beads and matching jhumka earrings. Let's start making the beads. For that, first we have to make an oval bead, insert it through a safety pin needle and taper the ends of the bead to get this dolki shape. We have to make few beads ready like this and keep it for drying. So this is how a dolki bead looks. Let's make the jhumka. For jhumkas, I've used a conical plastic jhumka mold and I've made these shapes and kept ready. I've already made few dolki beads and kept it ready. Now let's start making the triangle shaped clasps for the multi-layer necklace. For that, I'm using this mold and I've selected this triangle shape. Now remove the extra clay out and tap both the ends gently. We are going to attach the hooks, two below and one on the top. So clasps for the multi-layer necklace are now ready. Let's make the pendant. For that, I've used a Ganesha mold like this. I don't require the entire design, so I'm cutting the extra parts out. Now once done, I'm going to enhance the design. I've tried both the clasps as well as the pendant and colored it. I've also kept few dolki beads ready. Now I've taken few of these dolki beads, attached it to a ball eye pin, and now I'm going to attach it to a jump ring and tie it to the end of a back rope. Now let's start making the necklace with the pendant. For that, I've taken a jewelry wire. I'm inserting the pendant through the jewelry wire and I'm now starting to string the dolki beads through it. You can add as many dolki beads as you want depending upon the length of the necklace you desire. Once it's done, lock the ends of the necklace using stopper beads and attach the back rope. I've added the stopper beads. Now I'm passing it through the back rope, making a loop and tightening it using a plier. Repeat it with the other end as well. The extra wires, we are going to cut it off using a scissor. Now the first necklace is ready. I've already made the jhumkas and kept ready. Now I'm going to attach the earring loops. The jhumkas are now ready. Let's start making the multi-layer necklace. For that, I'm going to attach the ends of the stringed dolki beads to the clasp and lock the ends. I've made two layers of dolki beads and I'm locking it to the end of the clasp using stopper beads. Once done, I'm going to pass a jump ring through the back rope and attach it to the other end of the triangular clasp. Repeat the same procedure with the other end as well. Now our multi-layer necklace is ready. This is the final look of the necklace with the pendant with matching jhumkas. You can use the same jhumkas for this multi-layer necklace as well. These necklaces look exactly like the silver jewelry which we now get in the market. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting.